Guide to Remodeling with Kitchen Cabinets. Cabinets are definitely one thing to get serious about when remodeling your kitchen. They form an integral part of the look, layout, and function of your kitchen. But because they are so expensive, it is worth your while to learn about all aspects of them, as this guide will show. Before going further, it helps to understand a few basic concepts behind kitchen cabinetry. Kitchen sizes vary wildly. That's why cabinet manufacturers often express prices by one standard of comparison: a kitchen measuring 10 feet by 10 feet. The 10 by 10 kitchen measurement is used in two ways. First, it's often used by kitchen remodel companies to show how much a fully outfitted kitchen will cost: cabinets, range, dishwasher, sink, and basic flooring. But it's also used by cabinet companies to express a standard for cabinet-only packages, nothing else included. Be sure to verify exactly which cabinets the company is including. Finally, don't feel that you need to purchase the exact 10 by 10 package. They can usually be changed to suit your needs. Buy a fridge, stove vent, dishwasher, or sink for your kitchen and the cost will not drain your bank account. But kitchen cabinets come with serious costs, sometimes as much as purchasing a small vehicle. What to do? Choosing MDF over all wood construction usually can save you some money. Cut out the installation charges by doing it yourself, and you can cut a few bucks from your budget. If it's your style, IKEA cabinets usually come in cheaper than comparable cabinets from other RTA retailers. Instead of replacing, try refacing, see separate section. And instead of either, try spiffing up your cabinets with a product such as Rust-Oleum cabinet transformations. Cabinet refacing was once derided as an inferior way to get new cabinets for your kitchen. Now, with a wider range of veneers and improved installation techniques, refaced cabinets look just as good as new cabinets, and cabinet refacing keeps tons of materials out of landfills. So it's green, too. Look at ready-to-assemble RTA cabinets as a type of IKEA product. Like IKEA, all RTA cabinets are delivered by freight, not UPS or FedEx, to your house disassembled and flat-packed. It's your job to assemble the cabinets with the included camlock system, along with a set of basic hand and power tools. No carpentry involved. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.